us. One is, of course, having a strong opening scene. So you're really trying to stop a consumer from scrolling down the page and viewing your commercial. Not relying on audio is a big aspect because audio does not autoplay. Not, opening with strong brand presence unless you are, a Nestle or one of those brands that absolutely dominates and people understand who their brand is. We've seen, product specific does really well because as of right now, sponsored brand ads are driving to a single ASIN landing page. Now, in the future, it's expected that's going to be driving to a store page or a multiple ASIN landing page, which means you can make videography that covers all of your ASINs within that category. But for right now, single ASIN tends to do incredibly well. But at the end of the day, I think the part that people get most tripped up on is that sponsored brands video is still just keyword targeting and bid optimization. So that's really what's going to make the biggest difference. We've seen Amazon's terrible slideshow, videos have the exact same click-through rate as professional videography within campaigns. So if you're trying to get videos out at scale, reach out to your rep or just put a slideshow together and get them up and running. One other thing I'll add is my favorite aspect of video and search is it is still a PPC model. So that means you're only getting charged when someone clicks on your ad. So we use it to move up the funnel. So we're going to target incredibly broad keywords, knowing that if a customer scrolls down, watches my commercial, and then clicks, they probably have really high intent and interest. So it's kind of a good way to move up the funnel and target things that may be more competitive with sponsored products and sponsored brands.